How to trade crypto on MEXC Easy 2022 tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I bring you back yet another crypto tutorial. I hope you all are doing well and are having a great day. So, what are we going to do in this video? In this video, I'm going to show you the MEXC Global website. And in that MEXC Global website, I'm going to show you how you can trade your crypto, how you can buy your crypto, how you can sell it, how you can deposit different type of crypto in your MEXC wallet, and how you can stake your cryptos and different types of things. So it's going to be very simple and it's going to be very easy. MEXC is a bit complicated, the whole candle chart system, but I'm going to take you through all of it and it's going to be very easy. So without further ado, just follow all my steps and we should get right into it. So first of all, what you're going to do is go on MEXC. Now, once we're on MEXC, we're just going to go to MEXC.com. Now, once we're here, we're going to see this nice old interface over here. As you can see, I'm going to tell you why choose MEXC. It's safe and secure, fast crypto listings, wide crypto varieties. And over here, you can see different types of cryptocurrencies. For example, trading pairs, for example, Bitcoin going for USDT, Ethereum going for USDT, Litecoin going for USDT. You can see their change, their price, their graphs, different types of things. Now, obviously, to get started, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up. Now, to sign up, you're going to put in your correct information because obviously it is a crypto-related matter and we need to put in info that we remember. So just make sure to put in proper information. And once you do that, you're just going to go and click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, you're just going to need to verify your things. So once you verified it, there we go. Now what you're going to want to do is go on your email and get it verified. So I'm going to do that real quick. Now, once you verified your code, you're going to come over here and you're going to see this interface. Now, before getting into the details and the gist of everything, what you're going to want to do, first of all, what you're going to want to do is go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, you're going to go on security. Now, once you're on security, you're going to come down here and you're going to put in any type of authentication first of all. So, for example, put in any type of two-factor authorization like email verification, which we have put in. Then you can put in your mobile verification. For example, you put in your mobile number and it's going to send you an SMS. And the thing I'd recommend the most is this Google Authenticator. Now, what the Google Authenticator does is basically it's an app on Google, and whenever someone tries to do a withdrawal or sign in, it's going to send a notification to your authenticator, and you're going to want to confirm from there. So you're just going to add it, and once you do, you're going to make sure your account is secure, and what this does, it helps us make sure that. So now what you're going to want to do is go back over here and you're going to go on withdrawal settings. Now, once you go on withdrawal settings, what you're going to want to do is go on add withdrawal address. And here you're going to add any type of basically crypto you want. So I'd recommend you choose some type of stablecoin, which goes according to the rate of the actual dollar. So I'm just going to go and choose USDT. Then I'm going to choose my network type that I want to use. Omni is usually the best, so I just recommend use Omni. Then you're just going to go and save as a general address if you want to do that. And then the withdrawal address should be your wallet address that you want to withdraw all your crypto to. And once you do that and confirm that, what happens is that in case your account gets hacked and someone decides to get crypto from your account, what will happen is that you'll get an authenticator notification from Google on your phone. And what that does is it keeps your account secure and prevents you from being scammed by different hackers. So once you've done all that and set your account up fully, now what we're going to do is we're going to get into the main basics. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto. Now to buy crypto, you're just going to go here. Now here are different ways to buy crypto. You can either add your debit or credit card. You can add your bank transfer. You can use your secure digital asset transactions. You can use P2P trading and third-party payment using Banksa or Mercury, MoonPay, Simplex, different types of platforms. Now, I'm just going to show you two ways, which are going to be debit and credit card and the bank transfer. Now, in bank transfer, what we're going to want to do is once this loads up, we're going to put in our fiat currency, which in my case is just USD. And then you want to make sure how your payment is going to be. So it can either be a USA domestic transfer or it can be an international transfer. So once you do that, you're just going to click on continue. Now, what this does is you're going to put in your amount. And once you put in your amount, what that does is that it basically gives you a transaction fee, the rate that MEXC will be keeping, and that will be efficiently very less than what happens when you put in your credit or debit card. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it using your debit and credit card. Now once you go over here, you're going to put in any type of credit or debit card you have, and you're going to put in your fiat currency. You're going to put in if it's Visa, MasterCard, or whatever. Once you do that, what it's going to do is give you this huge rate that it's going to cut out of the money you're going to be withdrawing, because it's just more costly for some reason. Now, once you've set that up, what we're going to want to do is now I'm going to show you how you can trade using charts on MEXC. So we're just going to click on trade and we're going to go on spot. Now, once we go on spot, we're going to see this whole interface opening.
Now, once this opens for you, these are going to be all the technicalities of charts and etc. So down here, you can see your different market trades regarding how USDT goes for BTC. And in the top left, you can see the order book. Up here, you can see the decrements in value in the USDT for BTC. And here, you can see the increment in values for USDT for BTC. Now, the main place that you want to check out is this, because here's where you're going to be selecting the chart you want to see. And this is the main graph and chart. Now, obviously, you're going to sort this all out using candle charts. Now, if you don't know how to use candle charts, don't worry. You can go and check that on my channel. I have uploaded a video on my channel in where I teach how you can use candle charts. Now, let me just give you a brief show of how you can use them. For example, these are different candle charts. This green one and this red one. Now, this is the opening of the chart. So let's say it opened. Now, it's for 15 minutes. Let's set it for 4 hours. Now, every candle represents 4 hours. So this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours again. This is 4 hours again. See, as you can see, 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 4 hours. So when it was around 9 o'clock, the opening point for this was, let's see, the opening at 9 o'clock was 19,751. And the closing at 9 o'clock was 20,281. And the highest point at 9 o'clock it went to was 20,406. And the lowest point it went to was 19,720, which is not too much of a drop. Now, you're just going to use all of this to find out what type of trades you want to make and what type of bids you want to put in. And once you've seen all that, you're just going to go on limit or market. It depends on what type of market you want to buy into. And once you do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to put in the amount of USDT you want to spend on your Bitcoin. And yeah, once you've done that, you can either buy Bitcoin or you can sell Bitcoin. Now, of course, you can change the currency you want to buy in. So you do that, and then you can either buy or sell. Now, if you sell, it's going to be portrayed over here. It's going to be showed over here. And if you buy, it's going to be shown over here. Now, you can always use the order book to tell how the trades are going in the blockchain. So by looking at that, you can also add in your price. And once you add in your price, you're just going to buy Bitcoin or sell whatever you like. And once you've done that, you're going to come down to your wallet. You're going to go to overview. And once you do that, you're going to see all your Bitcoin right here. The Bitcoins you have. For example, you have USD Tether, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever kind of crypto you have. You're going to see it down there. Now, one last thing that I'm going to tell you how to do is how you can deposit crypto into your MEXC account. So you're just going to click on deposit. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go on tokens and select the token you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit the Bitcoin token. And once you do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to select your deposit number, and obviously you're going to use the Bitcoin chain. And once you do that, you're just going to generate your address. You're going to put in your address, and then you're going to deposit it easily. If you still want help, you can go on how to deposit, and they're going to show you how you can deposit your crypto to this. And once all that is done, yeah, that's basically it. That's how easy the overview of MEXC Global is. So yeah, that is how simple it is. If you have any issues or queries with the video, please let me know down below and I will get back to you immediately. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'll make more videos like this. And if you want any other type of help, you can let me know. Till then, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Make sure to leave a nice comment if you liked the video. Share the video with your loved ones and anyone in need. And yeah, till then, I hope you all have a great day. That's all from me. Goodbye.